Hello, in this video I will show you how to add a SCORM course in the Academy. You can upload a ready-made SCORM course by adding the file directly on the platform. To do this, go to the course section and click the arrow next to the Create Course button and select Add SCORM Course. Next, enter the course title and description and upload the SCORM file by clicking Upload SCORM File. Information about its supported formats and file size limits is displayed in the Upload window. Once all required fields are completed, click Create. After the course is uploaded, you can configure additional settings. To do this, just click three dots and choose Settings. Here, you can upload a course cover image, grant access to the themes, do award settings, set up the final pop-up including a completion button, adjust visual settings and deadline. Once all settings are configured, you can publish the course by enabling the toggle. You can find all SCORM course analytics in the Statistics section, Courses, by selecting the specific course or in the Course Progress Report. I hope this helps and good luck with your Academy!